Hello, today I want to show you how to create a QR code, how to generate a QR code in MS Excel and MS Word both. So first you open your Excel file, then you go to insert, then you go get add insert. When you see like this page, in this box you search QR code, then click search. You see here many QR code. You choose always this one QR code for office. Then you click here in add and continue. Yes. Now which part you want to make a QR code? This part of and whole of this. If you need to make a QR code for this part, you select this and make copy. Then you always paste here. Paste. You always paste here. Then click in insert. Your QR code is ready here. If you scan in your mobile this QR code, you get this one. Thank you.